One of the problems of the Epson printers is that after a certain amount of prints, the printer stops, then sends an error message telling you that the wasting paths are full. However, the wasting paths rarely are completely full when the maintenance message appears. So the only thing you have to do to get your printer working again is to reset the waste ink counter. Unfortunately, the Epson printers don't have reset procedures. The free procedures you can find in the web often work only on the old models. To reset the wasting counter of an Epson printer is necessary to buy a reset service somewhere. But not all service works. You risk to waste time and money, or you may be afraid to download programs that will harm your PC. I've tested the service of Inkchip. I'm sure that there are other websites that offer the same good service, but I've tested this one and it works. No virus, no problems, good assistance if you need it. The link is in the description. Here there is a list of the Epson models you can reset. The address. Okay, to begin you have to buy the reset code. Click here, then insert your data. The email is important because the reset code will be sent to you via mail. Use the payment method you like. The reset will cost $10. After the payment, they'll send you via mail a code like this. Now you have to download the program. You can choose between 4 languages. Click here. Wait for the download. It will take a few seconds. Install the program on your computer. Open the program. Choose Waste Ink Counters. The program detects your printer automatically. Clicking here, you can read the waste ink counter status of your printer. Click on Reset Waste Ink Counter. Insert the code they sent you via mail. Click OK. Turn off the printer and turn it on again. Read again the waste ink counter. 0. Remember that the reset will not work if the waste ink pads are really full of ink. In this case, you have to replace or clean the pads, or there will be another error message soon. In this channel you find instruction on how to remove and clean the Epson waste ink pads.